Good morning. It is day 13, I believe, or 14. I'll put it up at the top because I forget. This morning I am going to make a new batch of soil for my seeds. I already started dumping. I'm also going to walk all around the yard and any baskets that I got that I'm going to be pulling soil up. Like I just pulled these 2 tomato plants out that I'm going to repurpose them while I'm making this batch of soil. What seeds did I put in? I put in some zucchini seeds in the same pot that they were growing in. These are really looking old and dry. Woo! Come on now. Really? Oh, that scared me. Whenever I'm around this hummingbird thing, they come. Look! If y'all hit me, I'm gonna get you. That's not right. Okay, anyway, I see a spider plant. I see a spider. Wow. Okay, so I put some zinnias in, some new seeds. So I'm going to see if that'll produce any more seeds before it gets too cold. And I'm making some more spray. So that I'll do this. I don't want to do a lot. So just dumping the soil, making a new batch. Made my spray, slug and bug killer spray. Garlic is draining off right there. And I blended up and it had it sitting overnight, and so I just put that in, let that drain off. And then the other thing I'm gonna do after I make the soil, I'm gonna put 2 seeds in today. Can't fall behind with planting. That's my compost I brought out to put some compost in. But I'm going to put in today, after I get my soil made, 2 plants. I'm gonna do some more zucchini. And this is Black Beauty. And I'm gonna put in some squash. And this is butternut. So those will be the 2 pots that I'm putting today, 2 grow bags. And I'm gonna put those 2 in, and I'll just do a screenshot at the end and let you see what they look like. I did make up my soil, and I like this soil, guys. It's Stay Green potting mix plus fertilizer, and I like this because it's it already has the fertilizer in it, so I don't have to add anything to it, but it has been growing the plants really well. The only thing I added to the mix was perlite and mushroom compost, and a little bit of my own homemade compost to it. And that's basically been it, but everything has been growing really good. Get you some short-term tomatoes and some squash and some zucchini and get to planting in August. I'll see you guys it's almost over. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Take care of yourselves. A seed a day will give you a bountiful fall harvest, and love and light.